Hello everybody. Welcome back to another video on the channel today. So, this aircraft I have right here is one of the most famous airlifters of the United States Air Force. So, this thing made its first flight in 1969. And when it made its first flight it made its first flight in 1968. And when it first flew in 1968, it was the world's biggest and largest heavier aircraft in the inventory in the world, which it is quite crazy for a plane that's huge that can carry a whole bunch of payload. It's amazing. There's have been a few occasions that it could carry tanks, helicopters, and basically anything. So, like, this particular one is the very old C-5. It's the C-5A Galaxy. The ones that have like the very screaming engines. Like back then, when it was so popular back then, they used to have those famous screaming engines. But did you know that unfortunately none of those are in service anymore? Because now we have the upgraded C-5s. Most of those early C-5s are now upgraded now they call it the C-5M Super Galaxy, which is like the one with different engines, with more powerful engines that could extend its service to 2040 and beyond. So, alongside with this aircraft, when it made its first flight, the other famous airlifter that was with it was the C-141 Starlifter. But when the C-141 had retired from service in 2006, it was replaced by the newest of the heavy lifter, which alongside with it, which is the C-17 Globemaster III. I personally, and I've waited for so many years as a kid to see a C-5, and 3 years ago in Atlantic City in 2023, I saw a C-5 for the first time. And I kid you not, that thing was a size of a tower. Like, that thing was big as heck. I never saw a plane that was so big as this one was. I couldn't believe my eyes. And it's like something from a flash. That's how crazy it was. But I'm hoping in the future to see these again, because I really enjoyed seeing something big of a plane as the C-5. Like, hoping in the future, because there's actually the only closest Air Force base that we have is the one in Delaware. It's the Dover Air Force Base that's in Delaware. So they have a bunch of these C-5s and C-17s over at that air base. And did you know the craziest fun fact then, that it could take off from Dover Air Force Base and land in Turkey without stopping even once, even for air refueling, which that I'd say is like bizarre. That's amazing. Well, anyway, thank you guys for the video, and stay tuned for more.